Taking a look at the Buck Hexum. This is an interesting knife. It's got this lock on the side, right-handed only. When you unlock it, you can flip it, and then you gotta let the lock go, because otherwise it's just gonna be loose. It'll close again. I really like that, that you can close it with one hand. Now, it pretty much needs to be your right hand. It can be done left-handed, but you need to not use your thumb. But if you can handle that, then it is definitely able to be used ambidextrous. And if you just pull back on the lock and give it a flip, it can open one-handed, which is pretty handy. It definitely closes easily, and that's one of my biggest things I look for in a knife. Even though it's imported, it's really well made, pretty close to being symmetrical. It has a hardened steel clip. It's not real long, but it is very stiff. It is tip up, and it's right-hand carry, so they only have it work on the one side. It's got these rubber sections that are orange, which are pretty handy. The lock is really smooth, and you do need to kind of grip onto the lock, but once you get used to it, it does work really quick. The blade is, they call it a drop point, but it's definitely a unique shape. It's designed to stay strong and not break, and in my experience, this is a pretty strong shape. I'm sure everyone's mileage may vary, but as you can see, really well made, imported knife from Buck. Great color pattern and really useful. Hope this helps.